Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Playing Man. Fake it till you make it. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ryobi Router Table. Alright, jumping right in here. It's not very heavy, maybe 20 pounds, 25 pounds. I don't know what side is up or what. So I'm just going to, there we go, there's up. Okay, it's got a little miter gauge here. Oh, there it goes. It comes with these little rubber pads here. I think to protect the corner.
Dad,
What?
I'm gonna go put new batteries in my RC. Can I put it in the remote?
Comes with a little on and off switch. Not too many screws. This right here, I think, is a kickback feather type thing. This is really cool, man. Routers make so much dust. And so this is going to be really cool. It encloses the whole thing. I like that. So here's the legs. They're pretty short. So it looks like I'm gonna have to make a table for this table to sit on. Little thingies. What the heck is this? Wow, these are very peculiar. I have no idea what these are. Looks like they have a couple of these desiccants, which are nice. Keeps some moisture out of this cheap wood. Let's just stop screwing around and get right into it here. Okay, let's see. Blada yada blada features. Oh, this assembly does not look fun to read. So much wordage. Let's jump to a time lapse and you guys can see what is required. Now, you gotta remove this and attach a router. The router I'm using is the Botch. It has like a list here. If you have one of these routers, the holes are already pre-drilled. If not, you have to drill your own holes. Let's see if these screws fit my router. They do, so that's cool. I gotta line up this hole. Will I find it? Nope. Dang it. I could probably put my own holes in it. You know, plugging your router into here, it looks like you plug your vacuum too, and this controls your router and your vacuum at the same time, which is really nifty. The featherboard attaches to the fence here. There we go. This prevents kickback. Comes a starting pin, and you could put this into here. So if you're working with something small, that kind of serves as a fence. Miter gauge. See how good this thing feels. Okay. It's a little bit of wobble, but not. It's really smooth. They're just guards for different size router bits to give you more surface area to work on. I see. I'll go ahead and give it a try. Put that bad boy in there. Okay, plug my vacuum in. Wow, I am literally blown away that this fits on there. You have no idea how much trouble I've had trying to get vacuums to fit swap tools. Set it at a 1/2 inch on this side. There we go, 1/2 inch on this side. Don't really need this. Let's adjust this. Let's try this puppy out. Nice. This is going to get the job done. So there it is, guys. Downsides to this table is that it's so small. And then if you put it on standard size legs, it's too tall. I think that's too tall. You know, overall, I give this thing a thumbs up. Thanks for joining us for Playing Man, guys. Fake it till you make it.